Hey, Roger Martin here from Billings, Montana. I want to introduce you to three simple and marvelous videos. One is about the Restoration. We talk about the Restoration. A lot of people understand a little more about the Reformation than they do the Restoration in Christianity. And some even don't believe that a Restoration was necessary. But the Reformation that started in the 15th and 16th and 17th centuries shows that there really was a need for going back to a more complete gospel. So I would argue that the Reformation leads to the Restoration, which leads to Joseph Smith and the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints being restored, the gospel being restored, the authority being restored, priesthood and keys being restored uh, in these latter days. We are in the latter days. Preparatory work, this preparatory work is necessary before the second coming.
Properly referred to as Latter-day Saints, members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, often talk about the Restoration. And while you may be familiar with the Reformation as a period of great change within Christianity, the Restoration is something else entirely. It refers to the full modern-day return of the ancient Church of Jesus Christ, the one that Jesus himself organized as described in the New Testament.
Now, there's so much more to this. Let me reshape this for you.